I'm sitting behind the dude and this bad guy. Play. And you don't have to play. And look, this is gonna be the bad guy, okay?
Okay. So we were just hanging out by the fire quite a bit this day. It was really cold. It is warming back up, which we are very grateful for. What I'm doing is starting a batch of tortillas, and I was going to make a massive batch, and my children said, no, they're better fresh, so I made 2 days worth. So that's what you're going to see now. Hello. I'm going to make a giant batch of tortillas. Let's see if I can count and talk at the same time. I need 18 cups of flour. There's 3, 4, 5. The answer is no, I can't. 6, 16, 17, 18. Did it. Okay, and then I've got, I need 3 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2, 3. And 4 tablespoons of baking powder. This is not what's in here. I mean, it's baking powder, but this is a very old can. But we found that if we put it in a jar, the label just kind of disappears. And this is the easiest way, is just keep refilling this. Because yes, we do buy bulk of that too. So I'm gonna give this a good mix. We eat a lot of tortillas, and this is the time of year where it's cold, nobody wants to cook. So we're working on doing some meal prepping. I'm gonna have some dough balls in the fridge. I'm gonna have, hey Woo, can you see if that hot water's ready? It's in the tea kettle up front, please. I'm gonna have some dough balls in the fridge. I'm gonna have some pre-made tortillas. I'll probably just very lightly cook them so that they can just be a quick toast and done. So they're already rolled out and make it even faster. And so that was a cup of butter. And I need about 3/4 of a cup. You could use straight butter, you could use tallow, you can use just avocado, you can use coconut. I do prefer animal fats, but this is easier to keep on my shelf than to keep enough butter on hand. So I need 3/4 of a cup. And I think he got all that was still soft. The rest is congealed. Oh, nope, got it. Okay. So we're working on starting a good pot of soup. We're gonna start a pot of chili. Excuse me. Joelle and I have made a list of what we need so we can start canning some stuff. I wish I would have done it while it was still warm, but I didn't get it done. How, let me see the side.
It was just boiling.
Yeah, I understand. So we're not going to quite need all of it, but just wait a minute. Let me. I wish I would have gotten more meals canned already, is what I'm trying to say. I need to check. This is avocado oil from Costco. And I put some in my cart for Azure today, and their prices are very close, I think, but I can't quite remember how much Costco's was. I think that Azure might be like $2 a gallon cheaper. Don't quote me. This doesn't want to come out.
How much do you need out?
Not a lot. 3/4 of this cup full. Just put it up against that for a minute. It's probably not going to actually help, but we'll see. I've been meaning to film all day. It's like 2 in the afternoon, and it was one thing after another. Go hunt for this thing, go hunt for that thing, Patrick's got a lot of orders to get out. He does a big bulk buy with a lady that is a hiker, and she buys his Genesis knives. So trying to get that out, trying to find packaging for that. There's lots of things we were working on today that derailed and derailed and derailed. We really don't need much more.
Do you want me to grind you more wheat?
I don't think I need any more.
Alright. Do you want
I'm
me to grind
gonna try to match
just
the recipe to... I'm gonna try to match the recipe to how much flour we have.
Okay, but do you want me to fill it
We'll
up?
need a couple more butters too for the cookies. Ooh. I also want to make pfeffernusse soon.
I was thinking about that. I found the recipe.
Yeah. That's a good way to make cookies that can last on the shelf.
Okay, but you have to go after that.
I'm not actually measuring water. I'm using the side of this. I'm just trying to get all the avocado oil out of here. Almost entirely, I'm using almost the entire thing of this.
Are you using a recipe?
Yes. Lily gave it to me. It's not the recipe I normally use, but I've liked the tortillas she's been making, so.
Except this one you have to knead it and let it.
The other one you're supposed to need too.
I know, you just have to you have to knead it more and then let it sit. And then roll it into balls and then let it sit and then cook them. But we don't let it sit before we cook them.
Simeon, did you find
I wonder if I didn't
New!
Dip into the sharpening desk.
add the water appropriately.
It was 6 cups of water that was in there. A little over 6 cups of water that was in there.
Gotta use it all. I must not have measured. Or maybe those measurements don't work that great. Maybe those are 6 teacups and not 6 cups.
No, it takes 2 of those for a cup.
I don't know. Do you want to refill it and then we can have tea? And if I need more water, I got it. If you want to. Sit right down and make yourself at home.
Oh yeah.
Did I not get it hot enough?
Oh,
I mean enough water. That'd be my fault. I had to take it apart and wash it today. I don't like doing that.
You can't find it. Every
Do it like every time though.
$10.
Our grain maker grinder
Large family.
is set for large families, and you have to wash, well, not wash it. You have to brush off the discs after every 10 cups of flour, which is literally every use. So
Every half use.
you get it, yeah, it was half of what I was doing today. I didn't wash it every 10 cups. I cleaned it before, and I should have cleaned it after. I meant to, but I didn't. Oops. So there's that. You forgot. Hey guys, where's Akila?
She's in the cabin.
I pulled out a bunch of wheat kernels. That was my fault.
Hey, babe,
Yeah?
have you looked at the shipping options?
Are you wrapping these to put in the freezer?
I wonder if I should mail
Just
out
balling right
half of them today or however many we can get done.
I did not. Lydia. Just name me Lydia. Should have just not chosen an L name for you. Lily made a bunch of balls of these. And, excuse me, I had to go get orders done or labels printed. So I wasn't here for a little bit. Naomi actually came inside and said, you got them all balled up. I was like, did she video?
I didn't roll any of them yet. I've just been kneading it so it's extra good. Because the more you knead it, the better it is. Although you could probably over knead it by a lot. Who knows? You just want the
I don't
dough to
know.
be developed really well.
That's gonna be in the video, sir. Not helpful.
Hey, babe.
Yeah. Do you want me to go do that? Is that what you're saying?
Maybe. I wonder how late the UPS.
That's in West Plains.
I can find out.
Find out what time you have to get it there.
Okay.
To see like next day or 2 days.
She's gonna keep making balls and then she'll show you.
I think it's pretty late.
I want to go if I can.
Yep.
We'll see. So these are what we got. We made a bunch of quesadillas. I asked the children if they would get me a little video making tortillas. They are so soft and so good. And I'll have the recipe in the description below. Thank you. Bye.